Selfie with the couple.
Yes, sir.
Selfie with a couple, alright? Photo with your table mates. Alright? Photo of the groom's shoes. Meron talaga. I love it. Okay. Photo with the bride's brother. Yan. Okay. Yun lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito pa, meet and get the name of the 30-year-old guest. Okay, there you go. It's also okay. So we have a winner! Bingo! Congratulations! Picture naman ni Jamie. In fairness, nag-effort siya. Sobrang effort. May picture siya ng sapatos mo. Ayan. Mukhang magpapagawa daw siya ng save. Tayo daw kayo. Ayan, ito yung sapatos. Usap tayo okay, next part of our program. Dahil nabitin tayo sa mga nagbigay ng message, we'll have our second round of well-wishers. Okay? So, say call your name, please. Stand up.
Tapos na ang wedding.
Di naman ako manyais tulad na